If you want to convert photos to PDF file on iPhone 17, then first of all we're gonna go to the Photos app and go to the library, of course. Now over here in the library we can choose photos that we wish to add to PDF files. I'm gonna choose select in the upper right corner, and let's say I'm gonna choose this photo, this one over here, and maybe this one as well. Now in the bottom left corner we can use the share button. There we go. And then in here, what you need to do is we need to scroll down and choose print. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. After that, you should be able to once again use this printing icon. Over here, we also have the preview of pages. So let's choose to use this button again. And as you can see, we have been generating the PDF document. And now after that, what you can do is save to files, and you can choose where you want to save it. So let's say I'm gonna save it on my iPhone over here, and let's choose save. Alright, now we're gonna go to the Files app. Let's find our PDF file, and there we go, here it is. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.